Hey, I know me laying in my bed is not a particularly attractive sight or anything anybody wants to see, but my neighbours that way, through there, decided to have a bit of a party last night, which finished at 4 a.m. And I don't mind Tagalog music, but not at 3:30 in the morning. Anyways, I'm awake now, as I have been most of the night, so I'm going to get going. Come along for the ride. I was going to do two things when I was in Oslob and fill this video with these wonderful activities. However, this waterfall is shut. Even though it's the middle of the rainy season, there's no water. And just before this, I went to the monkey park, but there's no monkeys. So there you go. There is nothing in Oslo. This is my Agoda booked hotel. Get here, there's no water. Gotta move on. However, clouds often have silver linings. Found this little place right on the beach. Do you know, life can sometimes really be very, very difficult, but not today. Oh, there's my little house and my own little hammock. Wonderful. Well, today's been a very strange day. Well, it's been a rubbish day. The drive was really difficult, really hot, loads of traffic, loads of potholes, and then get to Oslob, no monkeys, no waterfall, no hotel, and I lost a load of video footage, so I've just cobbled this nonsense together for today. You can probably tell. Well, looks like I cobbled most of them together. But anyway, every cloud has a silver lining, because this place where I'm staying is really, really good. So I'm going to have such a peaceful night. And that's all that matters. And I'm still in one piece. Just about.